This is room 15638 on the Sun Princess. This is its inaugural season. It is July 6th, 2024. We start out with a nice full-length mirror. Right when you walk in, immediately to your right, you have your bathroom area. You have a dedicated toilet area separate from the shower and bath tub. That is very nice. Got a nice hanging rack behind the toilet. I just think that's a nice touch. Nice big mirror. I don't think they've quite utilized the storage underneath, at least this sink. Then we head into the main area of the bathroom. We have a very nice sized shower. Very accommodating for anyone that's tall, no question. Then we have another nice large mirror. Again, I don't think it's the greatest use of space underneath the sink, but I guess it works well. It works well enough. And then a very nice bathtub area. Very nicely ornated. Then we head into the bedroom area. Definitely would need accessible rooms because there are very large walk downs or step downs from the bathroom. Here is the storage inside the bedroom area, like a mini closet. A nice umbrella for your use. Here's your safe. It does not fit a standard size laptop, but the rest of your valuables can go in there. Nice deep drawers for your storage. Nice 3 of those. Then we have a night light that comes out for your, reading lamp. Nice ports so that you don't have to use the head for your iPhone charging and whatnot. Additional storage underneath. I understand that these light up when you have motion detected. Some people love it, some people hate it. I think I would like it personally, but we'll see. This is our first day. Nice bed. Same lighting, same outlets on this side. And then I'm going to turn around so you can see the television. It's pretty right there on you, which I kind of like. Might be a problem if you want to leave it on in the middle of the night. It becomes very bright. Here's the seating area. And the television on the other side. Very large as well. This is a pull-out sofa, I believe. A lavazza station. You have everything in here. And more storage. Some complimentary wine. And your mini bar, fridge. More space under here. I like the way Princess does this space. They've kept that idea, and I like that. And then we come to the big closet. Very spacious, lots of hangers, a very nice different bathrobe. It's not your typical terry cloth. It's a nicer soft feel. I know some people have said they don't care for this. I definitely like this better. Complimentary slippers and lots of space. And some complimentary bags for your use, and I think you can take those home. And then we're gonna head out to the balcony. Very spacious. So we're aft, obviously, and we go just a tiny bit over around the edge. Very large balcony. Nice two-seater over here. Two entryways, one from the bedroom and one from the sitting area. Nice table and chair, and then your little lounger over here. So this is very spacious indeed. And that is suite 15638 on the Sun Princess. I hope you have a great trip, and if you wouldn't mind, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much.